One of the reasons why she and her is used for ship is because of the constant care, makeup, and watchkeeping by able-bodied seamen. Rust does not sleep, and it's a major enemy of this large metal. Now, one of the environmental, friendly, and safe way of removing rust from the ship is an hydroblaster. It's an alternative to the manual and traditional way of chipping, wire brushing, which will be considered hot work, stressful, time-consuming, and produces too much rust. Now let's talk briefly about this machine.
So this is the hydroblasting machine. For us to use this machine for our hydroblasting work, first we have to connect the freshwater hose here. This is the freshwater hose, and make sure that the tank here is properly filled with water, so we have enough water supply to work with. So, but before that, we have to service the filter, because that is what is going to help us with filtering the debris from blocking the nozzle. After checking the filter, we now have to set the pressure here, set it to the required pressure level. It can be 1000 bar, it can be more, it can be less. After that, then we come and on, the switch is in 0 position. We move the switch to position 1, then we press start, and then we are good to go. In case there is a need to stop the machine, all of a sudden we have a need or emergency. We press the emergency stop, and then it will stop. So this is the start, this is the emergency stop, this is the stop button. Now we go for where we are going to use the hydroblasting machine proper. Vessels that for safety reasons does not allow hot work, like tanker vessels carrying flammable cargo. This using hydroblast has an advantage of removing heat while at the same time doing the job of derusting. So it is shipping. Well, shipping is supposed to be a hot work. By the time if you use hydroblasting machine, it will no longer be a hot work because no heat will be generated. The water will absorb the heat, and then still do the normal derusting work. This hose connects water from the hydroblasting machine to the point where the blasting will be. From the hydroblasting machine that we just saw to the point where we do the hydroblast. So when our machine is up, on and running, and we are ready to blast, this is the hydroblasting gun. This is how it is. This is one of the handles. We hold it like this, and this is the lever that we pull. So we can control the pressure from the lever. We hold it this way, point it at the rust, and then we pull, and then the rust will go.